Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear youth, I'm talking about foul language today. Bad language, colorful language you call it to make it look cool and chic. It's not good to use bad words. It's not good to use curse words. It doesn't make you look cool, right? And if you are trying to fit in with this kind of foul language using F word and S word and B word, labeling each other, like, calling your friends with B words, calling your friends with D word or F word or whatever word, you know what I'm talking about, you're in the wrong crowd. Run to the hills. Get away from the crowd who actually accepts you only and makes you feel fitting in with this foul language. You're in the wrong crowd. Stay away from those kind of friends who use this kind of language and who watch this kind of stuff that actually makes you feel like using this language. In this hypersexualized society, it's not cool. We come from a background of values, right? And character. And good character, good language, even in today's world, is valuable, right? So you need to understand that using foul language does not make you look cool. It makes you look primitive. Jahil, ignorant, right? Naive or illiterate or ignorant, right? You need to understand that cool looking is in a different crowd. You want to follow the good crowd? Follow the crowd of the people who use civilized language, who are focused on their studies in this dunya and for the deen. Follow the crowd that is actually intellectually invested into the good knowledge, right? So follow the good crowd. If your crowd, if your network, if your friend circle makes you use the foul language and makes you use the porn and talk about sex, talk about sexual content, and actually talk about sexual jokes and all that, run to the hills. You're in the wrong crowd, right? Remember that. And remember, we are the followers of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Even Prophet Muhammad ﷺ gave us the example from his lifetime that even with the bitterest enemies, the worst enemies who actually tried to take away his life, he did not use the bad language. He did not use foul words. There were foul words in his time too, right? From the longest time in history of humanity, there has been foul words. But people who are smart, people who are intellectual, people who follow values, and they use their brain while communicating, they never utilize bad words, right? Prophet Muhammad ﷺ never even went to any conventional college or university or school, right? He used good language, good words, words of wisdom, and he was knowledgeable and valuable at the same time. Follow the legacy of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Do not name each other with bad words just just to look informal and closely connected and all that. It looks bad and it's